Welcome back to all you 1,000,003 subscribers, less the 1 million of course. I'm welcoming you back even though it's my first day of vlog. Well, that's just the way it is. Now, you guys know what's going down. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install it. Then, I'm gonna give you the 5 things that you should know when installing an EL wire. What includes there are some of my personal opinion, some tips, and of course the flaws. So I am now so pumped up. No more delays. Let's do this. So this is the set that I have, EL wire. What we have here is a car plug, which later on we will connect to a car 12-volt power source. Now this car plug has a wire connected to the inverter, which is this one, and the inverter is connected to a wire. At the end of that wire is a clip. That clip is connected to a light source. This light source emits light throughout this 40-inch transparent strip. So basically that's it. $2. They say that you can cut this strip and reseal it back, but I'm not doing that. Instead, I will paint this cap to match the color of the dashboard. Just cover a part of it, but leave the tip out. Okay. Now the cap, almost unseen once near the dashboard. That's good. So we will start here at the right side of the dashboard. This line here, I think would be the best area to start with. Oh, but no. Nope. Just find a gap where you can tuck it in, just like that. Okay. Oh man, this is easy. Just tuck it in. There. Wedgie baby. Yeah, make the line straight, stuck it in, and then we flatten the curve. Now that both sides are done, I wouldn't want this to go past through here. The middle part, it's not gonna look good right here at the center console. So I think the best way to go is probably here inside. I'm gonna take this off the infotainment system and let it pass through there, going out to the glove compartment. Okay, that's it. I'm taking this off. If you don't have one of them pry tools, I suggest you use a credit card. Yeah, use the one that gave you the worst headache. So everything popped out easily. Next thing to do is to put this in right in there and let it run through a hole towards the glove compartment where this thing came out. I needed to order one of these. It's extension splitter. So what it does, it extends and it splits. So looking back at the original item, this clip here, you'll have to unclip it and clip on the new one, the new splitters that we have. So this is how it's gonna look like. The splitter wire is already connected. Now I got myself a new set of EL strip, just the EL strip. So I connected it there. Now I have two EL strips and two extra extension wires so I could use maybe later on. This is now the pin of our left EL wire. We will just have to clip it to our splitter. Same thing we're gonna do to the right side, just clip it on. These splitters can be very useful if you want to jump from one panel to another. I have two extra clips for future use. So I had to tape this off because the clips were a bit loose. Now this part here, I didn't want to get it dented too much. The light ends there, so I am covering the rest with tape and trying so hard to make the work as clean as possible. Those excess lights should be covered up. I wouldn't like my glove compartment to look like a messed up light show. We are finally done. We just have to plug this on a cigarette lighter outlet and let's see if there's an ODEM. Let's see what this does. Oh, plug it here. Oh,